Hello guys, Pulok Kumar here. Welcome to our channel Problem Solver Team. Today we are going to start set and reset instruction. In this diagram here, when I press X1, Y1 will be on, and then after if you press X2, Y1 will be off. The question may come to your mind, what is set and reset command? The set command is one press flashing this circuit, and reset command the turn off system with press this circuit. I will start the program now. This file new. Okay. Now this circuit LDX1, this make contact push switch, and set command SET space Y1. Y1 is load, set command is this circuit latch, and second command LDX2, and reset command RST, this short form RST space Y1. This reset command full program this reset one press and Y1 this load. Now this program complete. Compile this program, compile OK, and simulate. Cancel, simulate. Run mode. When I press X1, Y1 is latched, X1 is out, Y1 is latched, X2 is pressed, this reset command high, and this set command is unlatched, output is off. Now this program upload this PLC, this simulation off, and communication transfer to setup and PC to PLC. Now this my Delta PLC DVP-10sx, and this load, this DC load, 24 volt DC operate load. Now OK, yes. Now programming upload complete. Now I press X1, output is latched, this is latched, set command, this is set command, and when I press X2, output is off. This circuit complete, and press X1, this set command is latched, output is latched, and X2 is pressed, output is off. Thank you.